Hello everyone, welcome to our second video of degrees of comparison. Dear students, in this video we will do the explanation of exercises which are given in our lesson. So check out page number 33. Write the words in the correct columns. Dear students, as you can see here that we have got three columns: positive, comparative and superlative. We have to look for the positive degree in this box and fill it in the column positive, and then we have to look for the comparative degree of adjectives which is given in this box, and we have to write it down in column comparative, and at the end we will look for the superlative degrees and write it in the superlative column. So I have found hard, kind, wealthy, soft, cold, weak, red and few as positive degrees, and I have mentioned them in this positive column. And after that I have written bolder, holier, nicer, happier, cleverer, lower, merrier, lovelier, safer in comparative column. In our last column I have written brightest, sternest, heaviest, largest, gloomiest, saddest and prettiest. Dear students, you also have to write down the degrees of comparison in the same manner as I have done here. Now turn your page to page number 34. B exercise. It's written over here that we have to complete the sentences with correct degrees of comparison. See, it's written in the question: complete these sentences with the correct degrees of comparison of the words given in brackets. As you can see that some words are given in the brackets in bold. We have to use these degrees of comparison, correct degrees of comparison, to fill in the blanks. So dear students, in the first sentence, as they have already did one sentence as an example, this is the most difficult sum in the textbook. Difficult. They only gave difficult, but they have changed its degree into superlative. Why superlative they have done? Because they are comparing one sum with all the other sums which are given in the textbook. That's why they have written most difficult. Vanya is older than Veronica. In this sentence they gave us old, and I have converted it into comparative degree because here they are showing us comparison between Vanya and Veronica. That's why I have written older, comparative degree over here. Vijay is a mischievous boy. This is a positive degree sentence because they are talking about only one person. There is no comparison between Vijay and any other boy. So I have written mischievous in positive degree. This is the worst snowstorm in the last 15 days. Bad. The word bad was given to us, and I have mentioned its superlative form in this blank. Do you know why? Because here, after reading the sentence, it's clearly telling us that they are talking about a storm and comparing it with all the other storms which have taken place in last 15 days. So I have mentioned its superlative degree. Superlative degree of bad is worst. Radhika is kinder than most people. Why I have written kinder over here? Because they are showing comparison of Radhika with most people. Jyoti has more apples than Suman. In the same way, Jyoti's comparison is done with Suman. I mean to say that the quantity of apples which Jyoti has, they are being compared to Suman. The word many is given to us, and the comparative and superlative degree of many is more, most. Tanya has learned to speak French better than last year. Here also they are comparing the previous year of Tanya to the present year. The word well is given over here, and the comparative and superlative degree of well is better, best. That is the funniest film I have ever watched. Dear students, the same thing is given here also, that they are comparing the film with all the other films which I have ever watched. That's why I have written the superlative degree of funny. We met a famous film star yesterday. Here they are talking about a single film star. They are not comparing him with any other person. So I have written famous, the positive degree of adjectives. The roads are the busiest in the morning. They are comparing here the time of the time period in a day which is the most busy, according to a whole day. So I have written the superlative form of busy. It's busiest. Dear students, fill these exercises in your books and also note down them in your notebooks, and have a good day.